Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Made Simply Easy. In this video, we're going to see about the Hutchinson's Triad, which is seen in the late congenital syphilis, which is usually seen by the vertical transmission of the maternal infection during the second trimester. And the symptoms may not appear until late adolescence, hence it is seen in late congenital syphilis. So what are the top 3 features in the Hutchinson's triad? Is the first is interstitial keratitis, in which redness and inflammation of the cornea can be seen. The second feature is sensory neural hearing loss due to the 8th cranial nerve involvement. And the final feature is Hutchinson's teeth, in which triangular or narrow-edged permanent incisors are seen, and it is also associated with mulberry molars. Thank you. For more such videos, watch the next video in the above playlist.